Hey guys, I just created a full guide on how to transfer money from Crypto.com Visa card to your Fiat wallet. Okay, now first of all, let me explain one thing to you before I get into these three methods I have for you. Okay, they do not support direct transfers back to your Fiat wallet. Okay, Crypto.com Visa card does not support that because once funds are loaded into that card, you cannot move them back. There's workarounds for that and almost everything in this world. Now, the first thing you can do is withdraw the cash via an ATM. So what you do is you take your Crypto.com Visa card at any ATM that accepts Visa, okay? And your free monthly ATM withdrawal limit depends on your card tier. So if you have a Midnight Blue, it's $200, Ruby Steel, $400, and a Jade Green or Royal Indigo is $800. Now, if you're wondering about the fees, okay, once you hit the limit, there will be a 2% fees that will apply. But anyways, Icy White and Frosted Rose Gold or Obsidian, $1,000 limit. Now, the other option is to spend the funds directly because you can actually use a Crypto.com Visa card anywhere that Visa accepts it. You know, in-store, online, or even for subscriptions, right? You just swipe or tap to pay as you would with any other debit or credit card. It basically worked the same way. Now, the third option is to just send it to another Crypto.com user. You can just open the Crypto.com app and go to the card tab. Just go ahead and tap on send and you can choose a contact, okay? They must be a Crypto.com user. Don't go ahead and do anything that is not a Crypto.com user. You might lose your money. Okay, then just go ahead and enter the amount and confirm the transfer. It's great for, splitting bills or sending money to friends or family. And then pro tip before we end this, guys, only top up the amount you plan to spend because the funds are locked to that card. You cannot send them back to your Fiat wallet. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.